1 year. It is crazy how the time moves when you are creating. But looking at this date made me realize something. I have come a long way, but I never really looked back where it all actually started. And I felt it was the time to revisit the journey. Buried under all this new work were the versions of me which I almost forgot about. यार उस टाइम के ड्राइंग द मास्टरपीस लगती थी, लेकिन अब तो छोड़ ही दो. अरे ये ड्राइंग तो. And then I found it. This right here is my very first anime artwork on this channel. It's been a year and looking at this now, I have an idea. Let's recreate it. So for drawing, I'm using Cameline A4 size premium sketchbook whose sheets are of 270 GSM, which is perfect for this drawing. But before drawing, let's change the lighting. Now it's good to go. I realized that something was off. The lines felt cold, rigid, so to fix this, I went back to the basics, back to the wooden pencil. The sketch is finally complete. Now it's time for inking. And for this I am using the one and only, very special 5 rupees pen. Let's see what this cheap pen can do. The inking is finally done. Now it's time to bring this drawing to life with some color. And for this piece I am going with watercolors. So at first I am starting with the hair.
Rolling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with that. other side. After all this time, this is it for us.
Okay, hair done, so now it's time to color the body. And here it is, the final result. As you guys can see that the difference is significant. A lot can change in just 1 year of practicing and putting in the work. What do you guys think of this transformation? Tell me down in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this journey, please hit that like button and hype this video. I will see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye.